So what is SEO? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It is a collection of techniques and methods used to help improve your search engine ranking. It is all of the work being done that will go towards increasing website traffic through search engines. SEO will result in an increase in the quality and quantity of traffic your website receives through organic search engine results. SEO is done to increase your website's organic ranking and is completely unrelated to paid traffic. Organic results. Here I have made a search for web hosting, and the results are split into two different groups: paid ads and organic search results. As you can see, the paid ads do appear at the top, but the organic results are generally trusted more by internet users. SEO creates an opportunity to appear on the first page of search results without paying for any ads. In the long run, SEO actually costs much less and is much more effective than paying for ads. Thanks for watching, thanks for listening, and we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.